Hi, everyone. Food safety is everyone's responsibility. Let's explore how food safety hazards can impact the supply chain, food production, customer health, and industry standards. Food safety hazards can enter the supply chain at any point, from farm to fork, whether it's biological contamination at the farm, chemical exposure during processing, physical hazards during packaging. One small issue can ripple through the entire food supply chain and cause disruptions. Contaminated raw material can affect the entire supply chain, resulting in product shortages, shipment delays, or damaged supplier stakeholder relationships. The global nature of food supply chain means that one hazard in one location can affect the production worldwide, leading to a widespread food recall and disruption that must be avoided. During food production, food safety hazards like bacteria, chemical residues, allergens, or physical objects could compromise food safety and quality. And this explains why production facilities must follow strict protocols to control these hazards, including regular inspections, sanitation, and proper handling procedures. Producers must follow strict personal hygiene and production hygiene, good storage, and good processing protocols to minimize the risk of food safety hazards. A single lapse in food safety protocol can result in contamination, and this can halt production and cause costly recalls, waste inventories, shut down for cleaning and decontamination, which can severely affect the company's bottom line and reputation. Protecting customers' health is the number one reason why food safety is so important. When food safety hazards slip through the crack, customers' health is put at risk. Contaminated food can cause foodborne illnesses, allergic reactions, and even hospitalization. Common threats include harmful bacteria like E. coli or Salmonella or undeclared allergen in food products. Every year, foodborne illnesses affect millions of people, with vulnerable population like children, the pregnant, and the elderly people at greater risks. Safe food means healthy population. To prevent food safety hazard from contaminating the food supply chain, the industry is governed by strict standards. Examples are global regulatory frameworks like Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point, the Global Food Safety Initiative, and national specific frameworks like the United States FDA Food Safety Modernization Act, the European Food Safety Legislation, the Safe Food for Canadian Act, the Australia and New Zealand Food Safety Legislation, etc. All these national specific standards ensure that food companies follow stringent rules to comply with so that they can produce safe food consistently and protect the food supply chain. Food companies are obligated to comply with the standards that I've just mentioned to, to produce this safe food all the time. And the failure to comply with these standards could lead to severe consequences, which is not limited to legal penalties, company shutdown, reputational damage that can take several years to recover from. When food safety hazards are not controlled, the impact is huge and could include, as I've mentioned earlier, product recalls, lawsuits, legal penalties that could cost the company several millions. Beyond these financial losses, companies risk losing consumer confidence. In the food industry, trust is everything. Once the trust is lost, it can be very, very hard to regain. Food safety hazard impact every part of the food supply chain, from production to customer health to industry regulation. Therefore, maintaining high standards of food safety is essential to keeping food safe and protecting the customers. If you're thinking about getting a food safety consultant to help you to comply with food safety legislations, be it national or global, we're here to help you. Reach out to us. In our next episode, we'll delve into biological food safety hazards and how they could affect the safety of our food. Stay tuned.